We're all partying for like 2 hours waiting for the traffic to die down after the game.
You want Rammstein, Def Leppard, you know, KZRQ, Metallica, techno, country.
Camera, I'll show you.
These ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do a video.
Yeah, I'm doing video. I'll put it on YouTube. No, that seems good. I'm just saying, you know, when guys get together, they say, watch this!
Yeah, you're already lost.
Oh, someone's getting hurt.
Watch the paint!
Someone got a timer on it? Yeah.
There it is.
I'm pretty sure we can beat him. Is there money up?
I don't know. He's going pretty slow.
Here's the finish down here, so I'll be here for it. Don't step on the hood. I'm not. Whoa, don't fall on the hood.
All right, you don't step on that either.
Right here, right here. Hey, right
It is.
He's thinking, stay off of it.
It is.
All right, we know who to call monkey boy.
Where's the finish line? Right here.
You're almost there.
Where? Right here.
Over here.
Am I there? No, go out the back end. Go over there. I wouldn't touch that if I was you. You might lose a knee. He's got it. Good. What was my time? Come on, Midnight!
You already slipped.
Hey, don't get inside. I know how bad you want to get in my ring.
You are sketchy!
It's sketchy up there.
Mindy, you suck!
So does your mom!
Make sure it's over here.
Hey! Time! Monkey! Holy moly! Whatever car was, holy! Holy! He's a winery bastard, I tell you! Wow! I'm still gonna win!
Hey, at least you got the
Oh, this is into you!
Hey, you can't go that way. You gotta go around. You gotta go over the.
You got 30 seconds left! You can do it! 20 seconds!
God, Dan!
Oh, he's moving pretty good. I don't know. 30 seconds. Keep going.
Do the jump. You might
No,
jump.
no,
Jump it!